So eBay just released their Fall 2020 seller update, and in this video we're going to talk about some of those key features that they released in this update. But if we're just meeting, my name is Charles, and my mission is to help 10,000 people create a full-time income online. So if that's you, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, we're going to get into the video. So if you don't know about it, this is a release that eBay does every year within the fall, and then they do one around the springtime. And I'm not going to sit here and read the whole thing to you because I don't want to bore you. I'm just going to point out some features that I thought was pretty cool. And if you want to see the whole release yourself, I'm going to put that in the description below. But let's get into the 5 takeaways that I'm going to highlight in this video. So the first thing we want to highlight from this release is that eBay Managed Payments is about to throw out another round of invites. Now, if you don't know what eBay Managed Payments is, I recently did a video on it, which I'll put in the description below. It talks about the key highlights, and I'll also put in the description a video on how to opt into the managed payments if you want to get in. If you don't know, it's coming for all sellers, and their target is to have most people in eBay Managed Payments by the end of 2020, which we're getting pretty close to that. So I suggest you get in if you can. So definitely check that video out below. But yeah, we're getting another round of invites, so that's something to look forward to. They didn't put an exact date. I'm going to say probably October is when we'll start seeing the invites. Check your emails, check your eBay seller account. Just be on the lookout for that if you have not opted into the eBay Managed Payment. The second thing I'm going to highlight here, and this is kind of already taken effect, but if you sell watches of $2,000 or more, or handbags, first of all, if you do, congratulations. But if you do sell those high value items, eBay has an authentication that you can now do for your watches and for your handbags. That'll be peace of mind for all of your customers, and I'm not sure how they plan on authenticating this, but again, it looks like it's already in play already. So if you sell those items, you definitely want to check that out. But it's good. You can have your items authenticated, so you don't have to worry about selling a fake item to your customer. This will also protect you from a buyer. If a buyer tries to come back and say this watch was fake or this handbag was fake, eBay can say, we verified this. They're real and they're spectacular. Comment below if you know where that's from. But and then along the lines of the watches, if you sell watches and handbags over $750, eBay is going to have a feature of an automatic return system in place, which just means if the item needs to be returned, the buyer can automatically print a return label without you having to send it to them. Simplifies the process if they need to return it. Hopefully they don't, but if they do, that is also going to be in play. I think that's a pretty good feature. It's going to save time on sending offers. Basically, you'll just be able to send it. Basically, if you're thinking of a spreadsheet, there's a column, and you can just go down the row and send out your offers for all your items at the same time. Cool little feature, time saver. That's excellent. If you're getting any value out of this video so far, make sure to hit that like button, and type in the comments below what's your favorite part of this eBay seller update. Alright, so we have 2 more things here. The next one that I want to point out is they're going to do a time away feature, not to be confused with a vacation hold. The good thing about this time away feature is, let's say you're going out of town, it's the holiday season, it's very likely. So if you're going out of town, you use this time away feature, and let's say you're out of town for a week, you can put the time away as a week. And so from what they said in the bullet point on this is it'll update your shipping information to reflect that time away. So if a buyer buys something while you are away, it should point out that it's going to take a little bit longer to process since you are away. Now, and they also are going to protect you if the buyer does complain about you not processing in the 3-day allotted time. So that's a good feature if you want to use it. I personally probably wouldn't use it if I'm going away. I usually set the prices high. If I do so, great. If I don't, then when I come back, then I can lower my prices back to where they need to be so that the store can keep running. And the last feature that we're going to highlight here is that eBay is now going to allow us to print labels for UPS. What can Brown do for you? They can ship your eBay packages. So they're now being implemented alongside with UPS. Now being implemented alongside USPS and FedEx. I'm going to throw up on the screen here a little price breakdown just to give you an idea of how different the prices will be. As you can see, for the most part, honestly, FedEx is usually going to be cheaper than UPS, but we do have the option now. Maybe they work out some kind of deal where we get a lower price, but for now, still no one beats USPS, despite what's going on with them. But you also have your option now for FedEx and UPS when you get over £2. And that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you for sticking around to the end. Again, there's goodies in the description below, so check those out. And if you want to watch another video from me, hit the screen here or here. And I'll see you in the next video.